In this video, we'll show you how to find and place components on your schematic and PCB. We've got a design that's nearing completion, and now we can start to place the needed components. To begin, we'll go to File, Vault Explorer to open up the Altium Content Vault and make sure all sections are visible. The Content Vault gives you access to thousands of ready-to-use components, complete with footprints and symbols, as well as invaluable supply chain information. Finding the component you need is easy. Search through folders of specific component manufacturers, or use the search function if you know the exact component you are looking for. Once you've found the component you want to use, right-click the entry and choose Place. Before we place our selected transistor, we'll press Tab to open up the component properties and change the name. With the correct name entered, we can now place our transistor on our board layout, and each duplicate component we place after it will follow an incremental naming process, saving us time when having to manage the parametric data of our components. We now need a header, so let's open up our Libraries panel by going to the View tab and selecting Libraries. The Libraries panel enables you to browse and place components from your available libraries. You can scroll through all the components or use the search bar on top to refine your available options. Once you find the component you need, drag and drop it onto your design. Now that we have all our components in place, we can link them to a real-world part. To do this, we'll right-click the component symbol and select Supplier Links. In the Supplier Links window, we can search for a specific vendor part we want to link to a component. Once your preferred part is selected, clicking OK will automatically link it to your component, providing you with a real, purchasable part association. Libraries from a successful past project can also be easily implemented into your current design. To do this, go to the Project tab and select Add Existing Document, and then locate your existing library file. Now that all our symbols are placed, it's time to synchronize our schematic design with our PCB with an ECO, or Engineering Change Order. To update the PCB, click on the Home tab, then select Project, Update PCB Document. The Engineering Change Order dialog will list all the modifications required to implement changes to one or more design documents. The Enable column shows you which modifications will be included when the ECO is executed. Once the changes are executed, you can start placing components on your board. To place your parts on your board, simply drag and drop your components to their desired position. Using the space bar will allow you to rotate the components, while the connection lines allow you to precisely guide your component placement.